Today, let's introduce 4 operation methods of how to pause a DTF printer. The first method, now it is time to continue printing. Press this pause button at the same time. This button also has the function of continuing to print. It stops here. Keep pressing the pause button to continue printing. For example, if there is debris on it, the pause will be triggered. There's an anti-collision switch here. There's an emergency stop switch. Both sides. There is also an emergency stop switch here. At this time, the computer screen will display a pause error. The second operation method, power off here. Shut down. Now it's time to restart the machine. You can also click print directly on the computer. And what the computer clicks to print is to print from the beginning. As long as it is turned off or canceled, you can print it from scratch. The third operation method is to click here. Press and it will stop. It's stopped now. There's no lights or anything. The fourth operation method, cancel direct printing. I don't want to fight anymore. Cancel but won't close. If this is to be turned on, you have to get it back after you press it. Twist it again and it'll bounce up. It's just that the file was canceled. Click print here and it will continue to print. Press cancel. See yes here. Then press enter. This cancels the printing. Point print. Printing now. Oh, isn't that the cancel button? A pause icon and a cancel icon. Click and it pauses. Click and continue. Click this again to cancel. And make sure. Well, see if you want to be sure. You can click pause. It is printing now. Our computer clicks pause, and then the printer will pause printing. Then print it here. Click to pause first, you can continue. This is a timeout. Pauses printing successfully. Now click this again to continue. The printer starts running again. Hit the cancel button. Then click yes. It's canceled here. The printer will stop. The computer has to pauses and the printer has to pauses.